Okay, welcome to grade school, your next level. Clap, clap. So, in review, pagkaaralan natin, ay teka lang. Okay, grade school. Candlesticks. Okay? So, sino dito nakakita na ng candles? Of course, no? Alam ko candles. So, candlesticks, this is our topic. If you will look at your chart, pag nag-install ka na ng platform, meron tayong forex chart. Yung nasa left side, di ba? Yung x-axis, y-axis, this is the time and the price. Okay? So, 3 reasons why candlesticks are easy to interpret. Candlesticks are easy to use. Candlesticks are good at identifying market turning points and reversals sa market. Di ba nakikita mo para siya candle, yung chart? Mga prices yon. So a price chart that uses candlesticks is called a candlestick chart. Each candlestick represents prices, movements for a period of time. Examples of candlesticks, ito yung mga nakikita nyo. Diba? Different forms of candlesticks. Merong black, merong white, merong mukhang cross, merong parang rectangle na nakatayo. Diba? So, this is a bull candle. That is the upper shadow. Yung parang line na black. And lower shadow, yan yung line. Parang wick. Parang mitsa ng candle. Diba? And then, yung kulay rectangle, that is the real body, yung rectangle. Okay? So, open price at the start of the time period. So, yung nakikita niyong open price, isa baba, tawag dyan open price. That is where the candle open. Okay? So, this is the real body, then the lower shadow. And this is the low, which means the lowest price during the time period. Okay? Clear? Yung pinaka-low, yung dulo. And of course, yung pinaka-dulo na doon ay yung highest price during the time period. Okay? And then, eto naman yung closing price. That is where the price at the end of the time period. Which means, dito nag-open yung market and dito nag-close. Okay, very good. So, if close higher than open, ang tawag natin dyan is bull candle. Diba? This is the open, this is the close, and this is higher than the open, which means that's a bull candle. So next, this is a bear candle. Upper shadow, yung taas, lower shadow sa baba. And of course, yung gitna, ayan yung real body niya. And of course, kabaliktaran lang ng bull candle. Open yung sa taas. High yung taas. Okay? Yung dulo. And then low. Yung sa dulo dun sa baba. Then of course, yung closing is here. Yung sa baba ng body. And whenever close is lower than open, we call that a bear candle. Madali, di ba? Pag black, bear. Kapag bull, white. So, candlestick summary. What do you call this? That's the real body and the bull candle, correct? Correct naman. Correct na bull candle. Okay? And then, that's the upper and lower shadow. That's the open and close. That's what we call a bull candle. And that is bear. Of course, there's an upper and lower shadow, and the open, high, and the low. And of course, the close. And we call that a bear candle. Okay, clear. Now, let's go back. So, pinag-aralan natin kanina. When demand is greater than supply, the price goes up. Or we call that bullish candle or bull candle. And when demand is less than supply, down. And we call that a bear candle. Bearish or bear candle. Then the price stays the same. We call that the DC. That's how it looks. Ay, madalas ganyan yung tsura niya eh. So, or consolidation or DC. Clear? Pop quiz. Okay? O, may exam na. Huwag tulog-tulog. Bawal. A quiz. In review. Bullish or bearish? What's that? Correct. What's that? Very good. What's that? Very good. Tatalino talaga mga tao siguro. What's that? Correct. What's that? Correct. This one? Galing. That one? Okay, clap. Galing. Ito, ano to? Okay. Galing. Galing. That one? Okay. Galing, no? Okay. Tapos na naman. Oh, excited. High school na.